I'm attorney Wade Skalski, and I practice in Southern California, with a large portion of my practice revolving around DUIs. I got a call last week from someone who was very stressed out. They had been arrested for a DUI. They had never gotten in trouble before under any other circumstances, and they kept saying over and over again, "My life is over." And you would think that that's someone that's overreacting to a situation, but a large portion of the calls that I get from prospective clients are along that similar vein. Well, why is that? Well, because DUI is the type of situation that normal people get into. I have helped CEOs of large companies all the way down to your normal person who just has a regular 9-to-5 job. It doesn't discriminate against different types of people. It's not just rich people get it or poor people get it. Every single type of person gets a DUI because it's just a fact where someone made a mistake one time. It just takes once to get a DUI, and when you have that, your whole world comes crashing down. But I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be that way, because frankly, for a misdemeanor DUI, it just isn't. If you have to take a misdemeanor DUI on your record, it's going to impact you for sure, but it's not going to be the end of the world. It's really just going to be a giant pain in the neck. I'm not trying to minimize the impact it will have on your life, but what I am trying to tell you is it's not a felony case where you're going to prison. It's not a situation where you're going to have to be problems and things to do for a very long period of your life. It's a manageable problem. Now, am I saying that you shouldn't worry about it and you should just drink and drive without consequence? Absolutely not. Of course not. But what I am saying is your whole life doesn't deserve to be ruined because of a one-night mistake. I'm a human being and I've made mistakes too. I believe that we're supposed to be able to move on with our life, and I take that approach when I talk with my clients. I don't sit there and judge them. I know for a fact that these things can happen, and when I talk to my clients, my favorite thing in the world is to tell them honestly what's going to happen to them. I don't try to scare prospective clients to get their business. I don't try to get them really ramped up so that they right away say, "Okay, Wade, you got to help me." What I do is I sit them down and I say, "This is exactly what you're facing." And actually, sometimes it ends up losing me business. But I'd rather lose a little bit of business by telling the truth and letting people know what they can expect and having them emotionally feel better. Because at the end of the day, that's the most rewarding thing that I do. I love helping normal people who get into trouble because I'm a normal person too, and in my life I've made mistakes. So I know that if I had someone telling me it's going to be okay, this is what we're going to do, and when this is over, you'll be able to move on with your life. You'll have some things you may have to do, but when those things are done, you can look forward and learn from the mistake rather than have it be with you forever. I'm attorney Wade Skalski, and I'd really like to talk to you about your specific situation. If you've been charged with a DUI, please give me a call for a free consultation. We'll talk on the phone, I'll tell you exactly what to expect, and hopefully I can make you feel a little bit better about the situation. My phone number is 818-334-0751. Again, that's 818-334-0751. I'm attorney Wade Skalski, and I look forward to speaking with you.